One cloudy day, Robin and Daisy are playing with the dress-up box.
I want to be a bird,
says Robin.
I want to be a bird too,
says Daisy. Robin puts on his bird costume. Daisy puts on her bird costume. And off they go. Robin and Daisy find a baby bird. He's sad.
Hello,
says Daisy.
What's the matter?
I'm stuck.
Says baby bird.
I can't get out. We can help you,
says Robin. Robin and Daisy try to help baby bird.
Pull! Pull! Pull!
They pull and pull, but baby bird still can't get out.
Here's my grandmother and my grandfather,
says baby bird.
Grandmother and grandfather bird, can you help?
Asks Robin.
Yes, we can,
say grandmother and grandfather bird. Robin, Daisy, grandmother, and grandfather bird try to help baby bird.
Pull! Pull! Pull!
They pull and pull, but baby bird still can't get out.
Here's my mother and my father,
says baby bird.
Mother and father bird, can you help?
Asks Robin.
Yes, we can,
say mother and father bird. Robin, Daisy, grandmother, grandfather, mother, and father bird try to help baby bird.
Pull! Pull!
They pull and pull, but baby bird still can't get out.
Here's my sister and my brother,
says baby bird.
Sister and brother bird, can you help?
Asks Robin.
Yes, we can,
says sister and brother bird. Robin, Daisy, grandmother, grandfather, mother, father, sister, and brother bird try to help baby bird.
Pull! Pull! Pull!
And they pull and pull and pull. Then suddenly, whoosh! Baby bird is free.
Yippee!
Says baby bird.
Thank you, Robin. Thank you, Daisy. Thank you, everyone.
Everyone is happy. It's time to go home. Robin and Daisy wave goodbye to Grandma, Grandpa, Mother, Father, Sister, Brother, and Baby Bird.
Goodbye.
Say Robin and Daisy.
Goodbye.
Say the birds.